Got my own bathroom, 2 sinks, and a toilet, and a shower. I'm gonna come over here. Into that. Going upstairs. It's on the floor by the door. Up the stairs. About to close. And we have Katana's room. We got a fat chair. Katana's got a bed. Katana even has a walk-in closet. Is it, Daddy?
Okay. Bye. Love you. Bye.
And then we come over here. We got JC's room. She got her own little bunk bed. We come over here. And she got her own closet. There's a dresser. And we come over here. And walk down the girls' hall. And they have a bathroom with a bathtub they just love to use, toilet, and a very big mirror. Busted! We go in the toy area, and this is the toy room. We got a nice big closet with some new games. Nice big room with a chair. Gonna fill it up for the girls to play in. Air hockey. Katana being cuckoo. And a nice big window to look out at my neighbor's house. There's the neighborhood. We got lots of pretty houses in the neighborhood. Stop. Lots of pretty houses. And that's it. I hope you like my house. Bye.